We're getting mine. Yeah, because it says what happened?
60 feet to Muskegon, and each step with me, Orrin, and Ches was about 2 feet. So we did the math, and Orrin did it on the calculator, and we got 71,280.
We actually did the same thing as them. We did lattice. We found out that it was 142,560 feet in 27 miles. And then we divided this by 2, and we got 71,280 steps in 27 miles.
Okay, good. Nice and loud, please.
Okay, so we started with measuring how many, one step we measured was 2 feet. So then we divided 5,280 by 2, and we got 2,640 steps in a mile.
And then we did 2,640 times 27 miles, and when we did it equals 71,280 steps in the 27 miles.
In math this week, we have been practicing adding and subtracting decimals, and today we're working on solving open number sentences and some word problems with open number sentences. So, can you guys tell me what an open number sentence is?
18 plus 27 equals C, and C equals...
Okay, so an open number sentence has that letter in it, that piece that you're trying to figure out.
Yeah, and C equals 36. C equals 36, and that means 36 miles.
Great, thank you. Can you tell me what a variable is? When I say, Harmony and Sydney, when I say you have to have a variable in your sentence, can you tell me what a variable is?
Is it like describe what read
The what?
the letter?
Say it louder.
The letter.
Yes, the letter that is in the place of the number you're trying to find. Thank you. Our schedule every day is on the board. This is our schedule for the first day of October. And it also includes what we are, our I can statements, the things that we are working on for the day or for the week. And sometimes there's some special instructions, things that they're supposed to do in the morning when they first come in. This is our Club's Choice fundraising poster. Students have an opportunity to sell items until October 6th. And if they do, they get a little lanyard and some other prizes for helping us raise money for field trips and other activities for the school. And they also get to sign this poster if they've turned in something. Yes?
Right. We have a green shirt and we have a blue shirt.
Blue, please.
Blue, good color. Go blue.
Thank you.
And then you're going to keep this. I've dated this and put 53. We're going to add, and I have your 53 tickets in our bucket. And because she's the first one, it's not much, but it's the coolest thing ever. You got a minion ball. Just take that home. Don't leave it at school.
Good job! Yay! We have been working hard in here on our personal narratives, and what you see on their desks are their writer's notebooks, and all these yellow papers are their drafts of their personal narratives. They've been writing about something, a small moment from their life, and they've been working very hard, as you can see by what is out on their desk. So I'm going to ask someone to share what is something that you know about writing a personal narrative. How about you? What do you think?
How to elaborate?
And what does elaboration mean?
Like describe things more, like details and dialogue and all sorts of things.
Anybody else want to add to that? Joe?
When you're done with the writing, like when you think you're done, you revise it.
And what does revising mean?
Like when you're if you want to add to your story, you cut the parts you don't want and then tape them. Parts like write it again and then tape the parts.
What is the internal and external story?
The internal story is where you write about your feelings and how you're feeling in that moment.
Come on, girls. I see you back there, boys. We've been studying the Native American cultural regions in class for social studies, and the students do a little bit of reading in their textbook, and then they have to try and figure out which house, which miscellaneous artifact, and which piece of clothing go with the cultural region that they're reading about. So we have a student here who's going to tell us about what artifact, an artifact that they found in the Northwest Coast.
The cedar and willow fish trap.
And why did you guys think that that artifact came from the Northwest Coast?
Because they have a lot of fish there.
Because they have a lot of fish. And what's it made out of?
Cedar and willows.
Okay, and they have a lot of what there in the Northwest Coast?
Cedar trees.
Okay, can you tell me another artifact?
The northwest, their house is the wood house of cedar totem poles.
And why do you think that one goes with the Northwest Coast?
Because they have a lot of cedar there.
Thank you. Today is dot day, so we're going to take a quick scan of the classroom, and everybody's going to show me their dots.
Head? Oh, wait.
You had stripes, right? Got some dots over here.
Freckles count as dots,
We got freckles over here.
got dots on my shirt.
We got dots. Okay, continuing our dot day. Got dots there. Got dots on our hat. We've got dots on our shirts. Dots on our scarves. We've got smiles on our faces. We've got some homemade colored dots. We got dots in our hood. got dots on our shirt. It's on our scarf. We are celebrating Dot Day, making our mark on the world, expressing ourselves creatively.
I like waffles.
Here we are.
I like waffles.
You do like waffles? Okay.
dogs. I like dogs.
Having some fun with art, being creative.
Miss Hannah, look at mine.
Oh, it's creative.
I'm not done yet. Hey, like this.
Nice.
Wait, is it actually doing it?
I'm just videoing.